How to use Mint Mobile International Roaming. To use Mint Mobile's international roaming, first check if your destination is supported by visiting their website. Then, choose a Minternational Pass options. Include a 1-day pass for $5, 3-day for $10, 10-day for $20, or a 30-day no data pass for $5. You can buy a pass through the Mint Mobile app, the website, or by texting Go 1 Day, Go 3 Day, or Go 10 Day to 6700. Once purchased, you can store up to 2 passes and activate one when you're ready, either via the app, website, or by texting Activate to 6700. After activation, make sure data roaming is turned on in your phone settings and that Wi-Fi calling is enabled. Calls and texts to the US over Wi-Fi won't use your pass. You can track your remaining balance and time in the app or by texting Go Roam to 6700. To avoid issues, restart your device, toggle airplane mode, or temporarily disable Wi-Fi calling if needed. Use Wi-Fi whenever possible and turn off background app updates to save data. That's all. Like and subscribe if you find this video helpful.